Agriculture technology, often referred to as agritech or agtech, involves the application of modern technologies to improve agricultural practices, productivity, and sustainability. Agtech encompasses a broad range of innovations designed to address challenges in farming, such as labor shortages, climate change, resource efficiency, and food security. Key technologies include precision agriculture, which utilizes data, sensors, and IoT Internet of Things devices to monitor and optimize crop growth, soil conditions, water usage, and fertilizer applications. Drones and satellite imagery assist in crop monitoring, surveying large fields, assessing crop health, and detecting pest infestations or irrigation issues from the sky. Robotics and automation involve using machines like autonomous tractors, robotic harvesters, and automated irrigation systems to reduce the need for manual labor. Smart irrigation systems use sensors and AI to monitor soil moisture and weather data, optimizing water usage and reducing waste. Biotechnology and genetic engineering focus on developing genetically modified crops for better yields, disease resistance, and climate resilience. Vertical farming and hydroponics are techniques for growing crops in controlled indoor environments, often without soil, to maximize space and reduce water usage, making them ideal for urban areas. Blockchain in supply chain management provides transparency and traceability in agricultural products from farm to table, ensuring food safety and reducing fraud. Lastly, sustainable and regenerative practices focus on enhancing soil health, reducing chemical use, and integrating renewable energy sources into farming operations. These technologies are helping farmers reduce costs, increase yields, and produce food more sustainably, meeting the growing global demand.